¿Qué onda, Spanish students? Welcome to our Pura Buena Onda YouTube channel. My name is Paola, and today I'll be talking about the demonstrative pronouns. The demonstrative pronouns are these words that we use in Spanish to replace a noun and point out its location. It is important to differentiate between feminine, masculine, singular, and plural. We use esto, éste, éstos, ésta, and éstas to refer to things that are close to you. For example, este libro es azul, or estos son mis libros. We use eso, esos, ese, esa, and ésas to refer to things that are not in our possession, things that are a little bit out of our reach. For example, esa planta es nueva, or esas flores son rosas. And finally, we use aquel, aquello, aquella, aquellos, and aquéllas to talk about things that are very far from us. For example, aquellas montañas son muy grandes, or aquel cerro es bonito, anything that's very far from us. Gracias! Remember to follow us on our other social media on Instagram and Facebook so you don't miss any of our content. Adiós, nos vemos pronto!